Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the second part of putting this item or a horse around a circle. And this suggestion comes from an internet friend of mine and fellow YouTuber and expert scroll sawer. His name is Steve Good, and if you don't have time to write this down, so I'm going to give him a little shout out. He's got patterns and he's got some Corel Draw videos and he's got some scroll saw videos, and he watched my video last night and he sent me a little video, and it was pretty neat because he made the video just for me, and so I thought I would demonstrate how he did it, and it would save some steps. And I started thinking, well, it won't work in all cases, and it wouldn't work on this case of shape like this, but it would work on what I did last night with this horse. So I've got my horse already drawn in. And I'm doing it a little bit different than Steve does. But anyway, I'm drawing a circle. I'm going to make it 20 inches. Put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make a duplicate of that circle, and I'm going to make it 18 inches. See if that works. That's a little bit thick. Let's make it 19. I'm going to lock my ratio now. So there we go. So now I've got a circle. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill in the circle. Now I'm going to take my Smart Fill away and I'm going to get rid of my two circles. I'm just going to put them off to the side for a second. Put my Smart Fill in the center. Then I'm going to bring in my horse and put it in the center of the page. Moving it up and holding down the control button. Get his feet inside the new circle. And we can actually, let's see what our nudge factor is still low, so we can bring him up quite a bit. Then what Steve suggested, and it makes a lot of sense, control, well, you don't have to make a duplicate of it. Double click and move your rotation to the center, and then just double check that you're in the center. Sometimes when you double check when you're off that X, it'll get you the shape tool. Then just open up transformation, Docker, rotation, and we're going to rotate it from that center, because we've already marked the center, 20 times. And right now we're just going to make one copy, and we'll just hit apply. And that way you can kind of see what it looks like, and then just keep hitting apply. And 20 is divisible by 360, so it comes out even. Now, Steve's a scroll sawer, so he would want a cut pattern of this. So what you're going to want to do then, and you want to do it too if you're a laser engraver, is weld this together. Then let's look at it with no fill and a red hairline outline. So it's been welded together where this would all cut out, and you'd have a ring, and then you could put other stuff inside there or whatever your heart's content. But if you're a laser engraver, you might want to just laser engrave that. Anyway, I thank Steve for doing that, and go visit his site. He's a quite talented person on scroll saw, and has done a lot for the scroll saw community and the Corel community. I used to watch his videos. He's been doing a little bit longer than I have. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.